Hi everybody, Judy, Lillian, Louise, and Billy here. It's a really beautiful day, so Lillian wants to climb her tree today, and we're going to let her eat a nice mushy banana in that tree. So we're going to let her get down. Here's the tree, and she loves to run to the tree. There she goes. Oh, she's got her baby. She's carrying her baby. This is her favorite tree. Where are you? There you are. There you are. Hi, baby. Oh, she wants the banana. You want to eat this nice squishy, mushy banana? Here, Daddy put it. Hang on, let Daddy hide it from you. Let me see if I can get her attention. Oh, she's following you. She wants that banana. Here she comes. She went right to it. Is that good? Are you holding your baby? Lillian loves climbing this tree. It's her favorite tree. We've taken her to other trees on the property, and this is the one she always wants to go to. Is that good? Yeah. Uh-huh. It's pretty good, huh? Lillian is our 3-year-old white-faced capuchin monkey. We've had her since she was just a little baby. She says, I'm taking my baby with me. We have a lot of really good videos with Lillian. We started filming when we first got her. This is her favorite branch that she eats on. So if you guys want to see Lillian grow up from a little baby, then you can go to her channel page and click on her first video and follow it all the way up till now. You can see her grow and see the progress she's made into a little young lady, a young lady monkey. She's a sweetheart. I've numbered all of the videos, so if you'd like to see Lillian grow up, just follow her videos from number 1 up till now. We show the day that we actually adopted her, and so you'll get to see that. Is that good, baby? Yep. Is that banana good? She's got her baby and her banana. And if you guys haven't seen her Easter video, where she hunts the Easter eggs up in this tree, you've got to check it out. It's really cute. So I'm going to stick a link at the end of the video for you guys to check it out. Are you feeding your baby some banana? Huh? She's got the banana in the ring part. I guess her baby's holding her banana. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, she dropped it. Well, she's leaving pieces of banana all over the place. Yeah, she already had breakfast, so I'm surprised she's eating as much as she is with that banana. Oop, yeah, she keeps dropping it. That is her favorite baby. She has had that baby since she was a baby, since we first got her. And actually, that is not the same baby, because we bought some other ones identical because she loves it so much. You having fun, baby? You're so pretty. I love you, Lillian. She's a good girl. She's a good girl. So if you're thinking about getting a monkey, You have to really consider that they take a lot of attention, and if you don't want to give them the attention that they need, then they are not going to be well adjusted. They will get mean, they will bite. You have to spend every moment you can with them so that y'all can learn to communicate together. They need sunshine and fresh air. They need freedom. They need understanding, a lot of attention. Very windy outside today.
Let me get that stick out of your tree. Huh? You getting that stick out of your tree? You better come down here. You better come down here. Oh, you just want to chew on it? Let me get these limbs out of your tree. Where's that one you was trying to get down? That's pretty good stuff. Yeah, Daddy don't want any of that. Yeah. Daddy don't want to get none of that. How about this one? Is it better? How about that? Let me have that. Huh? Huh? Let's see if I can get your hands so full. Ooh, dang it.
What is it?
Stuck my hand in the banana.
Did Daddy squish your mushy banana all over the tree?
Huh?
It is mushy now.
Get out of my pocket. Ow, monkey. You go play. We can hug and do stuff later, okay? Huh? We can hug. I want you to go play. I want to see you play.
She's giving Daddy kisses.
Yeah.
She's trying to steal his hat.
Monkey? Huh?
She wants to steal it and run up in the tree.
Where's Brandon?
Hi, baby. Well, everybody, we hope you're having an awesome day today. It's very pretty, a little bit overcast here in East Texas. And we are just enjoying the day with Lillian outside and climbing her tree.
It's supposed to rain tomorrow.
It's supposed to rain tomorrow?
Yes.
Well, we could use it.
Alert.
Yeah.
Lillian, come on.
Come on, Lillian.
Kelly,
Let's go.
come on. Lillian.
Come on, baby.
Come on. Come on, Lily. Lily. Lily, come on. Come on. Come on, girl. Come on, Lily.
Here she comes.
Come here, girl.
She walked right past Dad.
Yeah.
Good girl.
Yeah.
All right, everybody, we're going to go inside. Lily, you want to tell everybody bye-bye? Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
If you haven't subscribed to Lillian's channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and support her channel. And if you enjoy her videos, make sure to give her a big thumbs up on your way out and drop her a comment. I always read the comments to Lillian, and she loves them, and so do I. And we hope y'all are having an awesome day today. And we'll catch y'all next time. And say bye-bye. Give everybody kisses. Kisses. All right. Bye-bye.